Here's the app called Global Citizen. Take action, create change every day. So become a global citizen, be an action taker, and impact maker. Our voices inspire action to defend the planet, defeat poverty, and demand equity. With our app, it takes you less than 10 minutes a day to make a difference for yourself and the world. Take action, find simple and actionable tasks, sign petitions, take quizzes, and more to make a positive impact on the planet, promote equity, and reduce poverty. Find your journey and set your goals. Take part in daily and weekly tasks that help you to form impact friendly habits that can change the world. Stay informed, discover the latest on the world's biggest issues and what is needed for real change. Track progress, celebrate your impact. Yeah, that's what you have. Let's just try to install it to see how it looks like. And then yeah, you can just open it up. You can just tap to get started. Here's how you can create your account. And now you can explore the app. So you have different actions, what you can do, earn rewards. So you can just start sprint, choose a goal. There are all of these details. Then you can just view your profile. You can enable your public profile. You have like different things what you can do per day in here. Some content, some social action, some quiz, leave a message, share your story, and then you can just upload the message, and then you can just basically earn some points, and then get to win some rewards. You can donate. So kind of that's the idea. You can have your profile, you can have two rewards. So that's kind of the app idea. You can delete your account, and that's what it is. So that's basically the idea. Probably you need to know more about this movement or get better introduced to it. But yeah, if you're if you're into this kind of stuff, you like this kind of ideas, that's a really cool app, and try it out.